Hello there. So it's a quick video on keeping yourself focused on your driving test, the driving test day itself. Don't be put off by the occasion. So if you find yourself at the beginning of your driving test a little bit nervous, you got to try and control them nerves, because the first 5 minutes is so critical. If you are not concentrating, you're going to do something stupid. And it's not nice, when it happens to you, because you're thinking that out of character. You might speed, you might stall in the test centre because you're not concentrating. So when you're in the car park with the examiner at the beginning and they're chatting to you, then think of it as a nice ease into the driving test. So get used to their voice, get used to the fact that it's going to happen in the next minute or two, you test. So if you're going to use a manual, make sure you're in first gear when you move off. If you're going to use an automatic, make sure you're ready in the drive to drive off. And take it easy. Ease yourself into that test in the first 5 minutes. Don't feel like you've got to impress that examiner too much. Just drive like normal. And then once you're driving around, the nerves will stop. And the first 5 minutes, before you know it, you've settled in quite nice. So it's a quick one. First 5 minutes, quite critical. Take it easy, everybody, and you'll be fine.